turning dials, but the signal won't come through. Just a white noise ceiling where I used to find you. I'm tracing shadows alone now on the kitchen floor, while the ghosts in my bed keep on asking for more. I try to sweep the hallway, try to clear the air, but I find echoes of your name in every empty chair. The calendar is lying, saying time is moving fast, but I'm a prisoner of a forever that didn't last. And I'm left in the static, just a flickering light, breaking in slow motion in the middle of the night. I'm following these maps to nowhere hearts, watching as the seams of my world pull apart. It's a hollow kind of living